How can pro-life and pro-choice group work together?
Pro-life and pro-choice organizations can share a common goals to help women and families. They can work together on a project with a common needs, such as preventing unplanned pregnancies, increasing access to prenatal care, and assisting families who is experiencing financial hardship.
What is true beauty?
True beauty is not only physical appearance, but also inner beauty, such as kindness, compassion, wisdom, and power. True beauty is about accepting oneself. It is about finding what speaks to you and celebrating it regardless of society.